Are you ready for some STEAM experiments? Science, technology, engineering, art, and math? We're gonna do exploding pumpkin guts. Here we go. First, we need our ingredients. We need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Put it right in our pumpkin. Exploding pumpkin guts. Then we need our dish detergent. 1/4 cup of dish detergent. Dump it right in the pumpkin. Now we need to make this artsy. A little bit of glitter, some orange glitter. A little more glitter? Okay. A lot of glitter. You got it. Now, to make it orange, a few drops of yellow food coloring and a few drops of red food coloring. Red and yellow make orange. Good job with your arts and your science. So now we have our dry ingredients in there. We're going to add our wet ingredients now to make it explode. We need a little bit of water. And here we go with our vinegar right in to make exploding pumpkin guts. Here we go. Let's give it a stir. Oh, the pumpkin guts. Ah, they're going everywhere. You can try this at home. Just make sure you have a mat down or a bowl or something to catch all of our fun exploding pumpkin guts in. Give us a try at home. Bye.